I just wanna, no, kahit naman sino, sa akin kasi more than the leading lady really, or more than na makakasama mo sa pelikula, hinahanap ko yung storya talaga.
Material.
So they've presented for past year stories, but parang wala. Kasi from reading it kasi, dun mo ma-visualize, parang, si ano ang bagay dito, or si ganito ang bagay dito. Parang, so meaning minsan, you read the script and then you maiisip mo, you can revise it a little na you can get a younger girl or mas matanda sa'yo or bigla mas masatog, maging magkapatid na lang kayo. So nag-iiba yung casting mo. It changes. But my dream, mga wish ako, kahit sino. Yeah, well, I haven't worked with Bea. As a matter of fact, there's someone messaged me with a synopsis. And when I read it, sabi ko, this is the movie for Bea. Kay Lea naman, yun ang inahanda na nila. So we'll see what happens.
Yee! Exciting!
Yeah, well, I'll see. Sana. I'm so looking forward to all these films.
Thank you, Bernie.
Thank you.